Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to set up large language model on local machine and its interaction. We are going to set up LLM using two different platforms, firstly using Ollama and then using GPT-4All, and then we will interact with LLM models such as Llama 3 or Kamini 3B, Phi 3 using curl commands over these two platforms. Ollama is a language model platform that offers customizable and efficient generative AI model for various applications. Its key features include on-device execution. Model can run directly on users for user device for better performance and privacy. Secondly, fine-tuning capabilities. User can fine-tune models to suit their specific needs and application better for its efficient performance. The platform is optimized to leverage the processing power of local devices, making it faster and more responsive. It's easy integration, making it developer friendly, and Olama provides APIs and tools for easy integration into existing systems and workflow. To download Olama, visit the Olama GitHub page as shown on the screen and then download Olama appropriate to your operating system. Then run the installer to execute the exe file and follow the prompt to complete the installation. Running Olama locally. Olama offers wide range of models. Here are some example models that can be downloaded. So for this tutorial, we will be downloading Llama 3, which has size of 4.7 GB. So to run Ollama Llama 3 locally, execute the command Ollama run Llama 3. So it will download the Llama 3 and prompt us to send a message. Now you can start interacting with the Llama 3 by asking a question. Here I have asked, "Hi, how are you?" and "What is prompt engineering?" And I got perfect answer from the Llama 3. Now we will see how to interact using curl command. So firstly, open a command prompt and run ollama server. It will start server as shown in the screen. After that, you can run curl followed by the localhost path on which your ollama is running. Now your server is up and running. You can play with the curl commands. There are multiple API endpoints such as generate, chat, tag, show, etc. Firstly, we will see generate API endpoint. Using this generate API endpoint, it will generate a response for a given prompt with a provided model. This is a streaming endpoint, so there will be a series of responses. The final response object will include statistics and additional data from the request using the parameters shown in the picture. In the curl command, you can turn on and off the stream of the JSON payload by keeping the value of stream as true or false. And for no stream, when keeping the value false, it will generate the response in one go, as you can see in the screen. Now to generate a chat completion using post API chat, it will generate the next message in a chat with the provided model. This is a streaming endpoint, so there will be a series of responses. Streaming can be disabled using stream false. The final response object will include statistics and additional data from the request. The third API endpoint is tag, where it can list all the models that are available locally. Fourth, using the show endpoint, it will show information about a model, including details, model files, templates, parameters, license information, etc. Now you can set up GPT-4All. What is GPT-4All? GPT-4All is an open source project that provides accessible, versatile, privacy-friendly large language models for various applications. It aims to democratize the use of LLMs by offering models that can be run on a local device without requiring extensive cloud infrastructure. So GPT-4All comes with two ways to interact with. Firstly, using chat client, and secondly, using Python client. Chat client is a GUI based interface, and Python client will allow you to interact via Python script and run local server. To download, go to the gpt4all.io/index.html website and download the setup as per your operating system. Here I have downloaded for Windows. Now run the exe file and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once the installation is completed, open the GPT-4All desktop application from the search bar. To interact with the GPT-4All chat client, which is a GUI-based application, firstly select No in both the options as per the step 5, and then download the model of your choice. Here I am downloading the Phi 3 Mini. When you are downloading, make sure to see the compatibility with your device. It will take a while to download the model and then your model is ready to use. Now you can interact with it by sending a message to the model and it will give you a proper response as per your question. To interact using curl command, we will use GPT-4all Python client. Firstly, we will create a virtual environment using command Python virtual environment. I have created a GPT-4all virtual environment. So now I'm activating it with the command. After that, once you activate it, virtual environment name will appear before the project directory, which means that your virtual environment is activated. Then you can install GPT-4all and Flask using the pip install command. After that, I have created a simple Python script in the virtual environment folder to use the GPT-4all model, that is Orca Mini 3B. Here I have created only one method, generate. To use the generate API endpoint, you can create multiple methods likewise to use other API endpoints like chat, show, tags, etc. And then save it as a GPT-4all server.py. Now to run the server, run the command python GPT-4all server.py. Then you can see the server is up and running on the port 5000. Now you are ready to interact with your model Orca Mini 3B using the curl command. Here I have used generate API endpoint to ask a question, why is the sky blue, to the model, and it has provided a quite good response. You can ask multiple questions like generate a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number, what is Pythagoras theorem, etc. These are the references I followed. Thank you for watching.